Customize and control the level of detail displayed in the My Courses widget across your organization. This tutorial shows how to customize the My Courses widget in Brightspace learning environment. To begin, from the home page, click the My Courses context menu and select Customize this widget. Note, changes made to the My Courses widget will affect all users. You can display the course code, the semester the course is offered, and specify sorting options. In the course code section, click Show Course Code. In the Group Courses By section, you can enforce specific course sorting options, such as by semester, department, or role. For this example, leave none selected. Navigate to Updates. Click Show Course Updates, and select the updates you want users to be notified of. When you are ready, click Save. The widget will refresh. Now, the course code and notifications will display for all users. Notifications are separated by tool. Customize and control the level of detail displayed in the My Courses widget across your organization.